Hello, BSc third year students. So today's our period is on unit number 2, chapter number first, that is the population ecology. New unit today we will start, and in this unit there are two chapters. First chapter is the population ecology, and second chapter is the biotic interactions. So in this chapter, population ecology, we have to study the characteristics of the population. This chapter is from the ecology. You know that in your syllabus there is the study of ecology and zoo geography. So zoo geography is another part. Before that, ecology is there. So first unit we have completed, and today we start the second unit. So dear students, listen here. This population, you know that population, India's population is fast increasing. So here the population word is concerned about the human population. India's population increasing means concerned about only the human beings. So population is any specific species in a particular area for a particular time. That is called as the population. And ecology we have already studied. Ecology is the animals and their environment, their surrounding, their atmosphere. So today we are studying the population ecology. So according to this scientist Wayne Edward suggests that population ecology means the population is a self-regulating system. The definition given by the Wayne Edward, population is a self-regulating system. We know there are different types of the population. Human population in our country, India, population of a specific area like the population of Maharashtra, human population of Maharashtra, population of our city, human population of our city, population of our village, population of a community. So different way. There is the frog population, there is the butterfly population, there is the wildlife population, elephant population, tiger population, rhinoceros population. So different types of the population we are studying here, only consulting about the animal population. So here population is a self-regulating system, means there is the production of the new young ones, there is the death of the older age, accidentally death at any stage of life cycle. So that we will study today. So from this chapter there is the important given from your syllabus, from your curriculum of the university is the characters of a population. So there are number of characteristics of a population, but some selective characters are given in your syllabus, and that characteristics or that characters we have to study as per the syllabus. So first character, that is the natality. So natality is a character of a population. What is a natality? So natality is a character of a population ecology. So natality means the birth rate, new ones produced in the population. That is nothing but the birth rate. Here symbol is given, that is equal to. Means natality is also called as the birth rate. New ones produced by a population. Young ones, smaller ones are produced by the population, that is called as the natality. So natality is nothing but the birth rate, means new one is born or hatched from a population. This is the first characteristic of the population. So there is a formula in the population ecology about the natality, about the birth rate. There is a formula, and that formula is nothing but the natality is equal to, here, natality is equal to, or birth rate is equal to. As per the syllabus, terminology is the natality. So we will use the natality is equal to number of births per unit time, means a particular time. Number of births, new ones, produced by the birth or by the hatching, by anyway, new ones. Number of births per unit time divided by the average population. This is the formula for calculating the natality of a population. So this natality is of two types. Here two types, means natality is of two types. So A and B is given here, number. So first type we can say natality is the maximum natality, and another type is the realized natality. So friends, here maximum natality, you have to listen carefully and try to understand. Maximum natality, you listen carefully and try to understand. Here example is given, that is the salmon. Salmon, what is salmon? Question arises, what is salmon? So salmon is not a Salman Khan. Salmon is a name of a fish, very beautiful fish, very handsome fish, looking a very beautiful fish. So salmon is a fish, and this fish producing in a breeding time, salmon fish produces 3 crore eggs. Remember, salmon fish in a breeding period producing 3 crore eggs. So 3 crore eggs means there is the new salmon can be produced by the parental salmon 3 crore eggs. But all the eggs are not hatched. All the eggs are not reached up to the adult stage of the salmon. Number of eggs are eaten or eaten by other animals as their food. So some of the eggs, they are eaten by other animals as a food. Some of the new one, just hatched salmon from the eggs, they are eaten by other animals. In this way, number of eggs, number of smaller fishes of the salmon, new ones, they are fall as a prey of the predators. भक्षकाचे भक्ष होत असते. त्यामुळे काय होते की अनेक अंडी, सलमॉनची अनेक अंडी किंवा सलमॉनची अनेक छोटी छोटी पिल्ले हे त्याच्या अडल्ट स्टेज पर्यंत पोहोचू शकत नाही. म्हणून जरी सलमॉन 3 करोड एग्स एका ब्रीडिंग पिरियड मध्ये देत असेल तरी 3 करोड नवीन सलमॉन प्रोड्यूस होत नाही. का होत नाही? अनेक अंडी दुसरे प्राणी खातात, अनेक छोटे छोटे सलमॉन दुसरे प्राणी खातात. दॅट बिकम द फूड ऑफ अदर एनिमल्स, द carnivorous animals. So in this way, few salmons are attained to the adult stage. So this producing capacity is called as the maximum. त्याला म्हणायचे मॅक्झिमम नेटॅलिटी. सलमॉन फिश ची मॅक्झिमम नेटॅलिटी किती आहे तर 3 करोड. But it attains the few ones to the adult stage. Similarly, another type of the natality is a realized natality. Realized natality, here the actual number of new animals. How many actual number are attained to the adult stage? So that is called as the actual number of new animals. New animals means after the eggs hatching or after the birth, that animals attain to the adult stage. So that is the actual number of new animals in a population. So remember, natality is a characteristics of the population ecology. Natality is nothing but the birth rate. There is a formula for calculation of the natality. That formula is natality is equal to, means we can calculate the natality by number of births per unit divided by the average population. natality is of two types, maximum natality and realized natality. So this is sufficient about the natality. So this is the study of one characters of a population ecology. Now we will see the another characters of the population ecology. So listen here, another characters of population ecology is the mortality. Like the natality, another character is the mortality. Mortality is nothing but the death rate. Here the birth rate and here the death rate. Janma and इथे मृत्यू. So this death is called as the mortality. Mortality is called as the death rate. So here also there is a formula for the calculation of the mortality of a population, death rate, calculation of a population. So number of death per unit time. Here unit time is very essential in a particular time period divided by the average population. So this is a formula for the calculation of the mortality or calculation of the death rate. Now, like the natality, here we have to study the mortality, that is minimum mortality and realized mortality. It is also two types. Mortality is of two types. Minimum mortality and realized mortality. Minimum mortality means the death of the animals of a particular population due to the old age. So from hatching eggs, larval stages, then it reaches to the adult stage, then it is reaches to the old stage, and there is the death. So that is called as the minimum mortality. So in minimum mortality, there is the death, and that death is due to the old age. वयस्कर होऊन संपूर्ण लाईफ जीवन जगून मृत्यू येणे. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द ओल्ड एज. आपण आपल्या घरामध्ये सुद्धा सांगतो, इफ एनी ग्रँडफादर ग्रँडमदर देयर इज द डेथ, सो व्हॉट इज द रिझन ऑफ द डेथ. सो देयर आर डिफरंट रिझन्स, ॲक्सिडेंटल और नॅचरल ड्यू टू द ओल्ड एज. सो मिनिमम mortality is like that, death due to the old age. Then another type of the mortality is a realized mortality. In the realized mortality, deaths are occur at all stages, in the larval stages, in the eggs also before hatching. So anyway, there is the death at all stages, adult stages, larval stages, in egg stages. So that is called as the realized mortality. So friends, for today it is sufficient. We have started unit 2. From unit 2, first chapter, that is population ecology, we have started. In the population ecology, we have studied the characteristics of population. So two characters today we have studied, that is the natality and then the mortality. Remaining characters of a population we will study in next period. So if any problem, you can ask by mobile, or you write your problem in the register, or when you will come in the college by taking care of the corona disease, you can ask. So for today it is sufficient. Thank you very much.